Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to learn about tenses. What is a tense? A tense is an action in relation to time of speaking. There are three types of tenses. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. And present tense consists of simple present tense. Number 2, present continuous tense. Number 3, present perfect tense. Number 4, present perfect continuous tense. And past tense also consists of 4 different types. The first one is simple past tense. And the second, past continuous tense. And the third, past perfect tense. And fourth is past perfect continuous tense. And the last one is future tense. Future tense again consists of simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Now, we will see about the present tense. And in the present tense, we are going to see the structure of simple present tense with an example. And the structure of simple present tense is subject plus V1, verb 1 plus object. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. And the example is I eat an egg. I is the subject, eat is a V1, verb 1 plus an egg is an object. Now, you got the example right? I eat an egg. This is the example for simple present tense. Now, we will move on to present continuous tense. The structure for present continuous tense is subject plus am or is or are plus V4 plus object. And here the example is I am eating an egg. I am eating an egg. So, next we will move on to the third tense is present perfect tense. And here in the present perfect tense, the structure is subject plus have or has plus verb 3, V3 plus object. And the example for present perfect tense is I have eaten an egg. What is it? I have eaten an egg. Now we will move on to the last one, that is present perfect continuous tense. And the structure for present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have been or has been plus V4 plus object. What is it? Subject plus have been or has been plus V4 plus object. And the example can be written as I have been eating an egg. I have been eating an egg. Now, you have got an idea about the present tenses, right? Now, we will move on to the second tense, that is the past tense. And in the past tense, we will move on to simple past tense. And the structure for simple past tense is subject plus V2, that is verb 2 plus object. Subject plus verb do plus object. And here the example can be written as I ate an egg. Got it? I ate an egg. It is very simple, right? Now we will move on to the next tense, that is past continuous tense. And the structure for past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus verb 4, that is verb 1 plus ing plus object. The structure for past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus verb 4 plus object. And the example can be written as I was eating an egg. I was eating an egg. Now we will move on to past perfect tense. And the structure for past perfect tense is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. What is the structure for past perfect tense? It is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. And the example can be written in past perfect tense is I had eaten an egg. It is I had eaten an egg. Now we will move on to past perfect continuous tense. And the structure for past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had been plus V4 verb 4 plus object. The structure is subject plus had been plus V4 plus object. Now, we'll give an example for past perfect or continuous tense. That is, I had been eating an egg. I had been eating an egg. Hope you understood the past tenses. The simple past tense, past perfect, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Now we'll move on to the last one, that is the future tense and simple future tense. The structure for simple future tense is subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object. And the example can be written as I will eat an egg. What is it? I will eat an egg. And next, we will move on to future continuous tense. And in future continuous tense, the structure is subject plus will or shall be plus V4 plus object. Here the structure is subject plus will be or shall be plus V4 plus object. This is a structure in future continuous tense. Now, in the example, here we can write as I will be eating an egg. It is I will be eating an egg. This is the example which we can write in future continuous tense. And next, we will move on to future perfect tense. And the structure in future perfect tense is subject plus will have or shall have plus verb 3 plus object. And the example here which can be written in future perfect tense is I will have eaten an egg. I will have eaten an egg. Now we will move on to the last tense in the future. That is future perfect continuous tense. And the structure in future perfect continuous tense is subject plus will or shall, have been plus verb 4 plus object. And here the example can be written as I will have been eating an egg. I will have been eating an egg. And this is future perfect continuous tense. Hope you understood the tenses and the structures of the tenses, which will be easy to understand and write examples. Present tense, past tense and future tense. Thank you one and all.